Hey y'all, this is Crystal from Triple C Creations Crafting here in North Georgia, and continuing my series with surprise cards. So I made these kits a couple of months ago, so I really don't know what's in them. I did kind of peek in because I found that I had some that were almost the same card, where I had cut the paper and then just flipped one of them, and so I had just opposites on top and bottom. So I did peek in and just look, and if it was the same card, same paper, then I knew that's what I'd done. So I went ahead and pulled those out. I do one that's a masculine, one that's a feminine, and one that's a kid one. Don't know if it's birthday or whatever. Okay, let's see. This should be my masculine stack, I believe. So I got some double-sided paper. Ooh, there's a strip. And so I think I like these two together. And that has an up and a down. I almost missed that. So let's glue those on. And these go really fast. These were made for the non-crafter, or at least the non-card maker. Everything I put in there, you could make a card. All you needed was glue. Definitely add things to it. Sometimes I'll add foam tape to elements, but pretty much I've not added a lot else because I've got the embellishments and everything. All right, so I have this for a band, and let's cut a little bit off this end. And I don't usually do it like this, but okay. I want to make sure I keep the campers. I don't want to cut a camper like right in the middle if I can help it. So I'm going to line it up on the left side. I usually just go for the edge and not worry about just that. I think it's fine that it goes from edge to edge instead of the layer on top. All right, and then I think I'm gonna layer up these pieces. And then I think I'm gonna put this up on foam tape. Oh, let's see, how do I want to do this? This down here. Ooh, let's see if I can move that real quick. Okay. I think this would be cute sticking out from under here. Or maybe even like that. So we got some plaid. This down here's got some emblems, I guess. This is all actually from a matching set. Since I have 3 males in my house, 3 sons and a husband, have had to buy some masculine card stock, and this is actually all from a coordinating set, I believe. So there we go. So it's got Bigfoot and trees and a compass and a bear and a bear paw and tree, I think it's treat deer. So these all actually was in coordinating paper. Don't usually see that in my cards, that it's all from one paper, especially in these. All right, so there's my masculine birthday. And then, let's see, here's my feminine one. I see some, got some embossed paper. I'll make sure I open it right. I mentioned in another video I had made a card. I've done that a few times. Not many, but I have done it a few times. Take for granted that the card is laying in the correct orientation, and it's not. So this is just a piece of, this is actually really thin paper. It's not cardstock. And it's embossed with just a leaf pattern. And then got this. This is already cut down good. Is there up and down? Nope. Good, because I was going to put it the long ways. Of course, I could always turn the card landscape style like this. I do most of my cards like this, though. And then this already has the foam tape on it. See, I had everything prepped. Hopefully anybody could have made this beautiful card, no matter their experience. All right, and then I'm going to kind of center it up and down anyways. much as I can looking at it, not necessarily from the top. I think that's close enough. All right, there we go. Never stop exploring. So not necessarily a birthday one, could be for multiple occasions. So when that glue dries, I'll put it in my miscellaneous category probably. And then the last one is a kid one. I'm running out of these. Made several. This is video 4 or 5. I'll have to check. And every one I've made 3. Plus I made some that were the duplicate cards. So this is embossed. Let's check our orientation. This is actually the same folder that I used in this one. It's just a leaf for a vine. So it's a very good embossing folder if you are just starting out and not wanting to, you know, you can't afford everything at once, definitely. But something that is very versatile. I think this would be a good one to invest in. This is bugs, so I think the leaves. And I think I'm going to turn this one this way. Be silly. Let's turn that one sideways. You know what would be super cute on this is if I had a bug sticker. I don't. I'm not trying to find one though. A bug sticker would be really cute, like to stick on the side of that. I might have a ladybug. I may have to dig, but that'll take some digging definitely. So stick my folder in, or my envelope. I don't want to keep saying folder. Envelope in there. So there's my kid one. That's miscellaneous. It could be birthday or anything. Then I have my feminine one and my masculine one, and we are under 7 minutes. So if you like this, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Happy crafting!